guys, thank you for watching Sun City Taste. Today we're back with another video. I'm gonna be making salmon for my family with teriyaki sauce and a few other toppings that I will show you right now. And we're gonna be making it outside. So let's get started. Okay guys, so along with our salmon, we're gonna be cooking white rice. I used 1.5 cups and I put maybe 1 teaspoon of butter, a little bit of sea salt, and we're just gonna let that boil, and then we'll cover it and we'll let it cook for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so the ingredients we're gonna be using today are olive oil, teriyaki sauce, oranges, salt, white onion, fresh ginger, and I think, correct me if I'm wrong, it's shishito pepper. We'll see, it's a new ingredient for me, and green onions. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and cut our salmon into even, more or less even pieces, because there's 5 of us, okay? Now I got the one with the skin, but you can get it without it, okay? So for this plate, we need to put each piece of salmon into separate foils, okay? Okay guys, so once you put your salmon into the foils, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom just so that it doesn't stick to the foil, okay? Let me just get a napkin really quick. So after that, we're gonna use the teriyaki sauce. Make sure you shake it good before putting it in. And we're just gonna put this on top of the salmon, okay? Try to get the one that has a sesame seeds. But if you don't, then just get those separate, okay? Okay, before we continue, we're gonna go ahead and fill like a little basket with your foil, so that way the liquids, they don't fall or they don't run out. It doesn't have to be perfect, just enough to keep everything together, okay? Okay, so with that, we're gonna put a little bit of salt on each one. And a little bit of pepper, okay? Okay, so after that, let's put a little bit of ginger. A little bit goes a long way, okay guys? So don't put a lot. Now, I don't know if I mentioned before, but just make sure you cut them into small pieces. That way when you take a bite, I mean, it's not like heavy, the flavor. Because sometimes it could be overwhelming, that's what I meant. Okay, I'm just going back and double checking that I have everything nice and even on all of them. Okay, so after that, we're gonna put a little bit of the onion, white onion, on top of it, okay? Now you're gonna do the onion to your taste, okay? If there's an ingredient that you don't like, you can always leave it out. Once again, I'm just going back to double check that, you know, everything looks nice and even. This one needs a little bit more. Okay, after that, we're gonna do our green onions. And once again, it's just a little bit on top, okay? Oh. Okay guys, so next we're gonna do our shishito pepper. And the only thing that I did with these was cut them at an angle, just so that they cook a little bit faster, okay? Because we're gonna throw them on the gas grill. After that, we're gonna do our lemon zest, just a little bit, okay? After that, we're gonna do a little bit of orange juice. If I can get some of it out. And I'm just trying to finish whatever I have here left. You know what, just for fun, we're gonna throw in a little bit more of the sesame oil, okay? Let me just shake it up again, because I have all the seeds on top. Now with this one, I'm just gonna throw it a little bit on the side. Ah! Don't make that mistake. Okay, so once you're done, we're gonna go ahead and close them, okay? Just be careful that your juice doesn't come out. Do all of them, then you're ready to go outside, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but I saw this recipe from YouTube, from this guy, can't remember his name, sorry, but I'll put it in the description box. Now, he did the salmon in the oven, but you know me, any excuse that I can get to be outside cooking, I'm gonna take it. So I'm gonna use my gas grill as my oven. So let's get started. Husband left it pretty good. Okay. In order for our grill to work as an oven, you have to turn off one side of the grill to put your food in, because you don't want to have it on top of it, because then it's going to burn. So now that we did that, we're going to go ahead and close it, and we're going to leave it cooking for about 15 minutes. We'll come and check. So now all we have to do is relax. Let's get them out. Just in case, I ended up putting my little glove on, guys.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, what?
Take a little bite.
Ay, no me grites.
Take a little bite.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, you gotta taste it. Make sure it came out good.
Oh my god. That's amazing, guys. I ended up making 2 more just because as I was making it, I realized that it was possible it was gonna be a hit in our family, and I'm glad I did, because let me tell you, they're gonna be gone by the end of the night. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already put my rice with my salmon. Now let's put the juice. Oh my God, now look, that's gonna be amazing. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. Now I gotta give it a taste with the rice and the salmon. Definitely make this. I mean, make my other plates too, but this, a 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so as my other videos, I'm just gonna have a little drink. But this time, I'm gonna put a little bit of chamoy, and I actually made this, guys, so if you want the recipe, just let me know in the comments below, okay? So, de mi casa a su casa, provecho.